I'm Ethan Wu. I'm in eighth grade and I'm a student at Renaissance School International. The title of my project is My Cat Sure is Persuasive, investigating whether cats have episodic memory. Here's my abstract if you'd like to take a look. And the problem I'm investigating is whether or not cats have episodic memory. Based on my background research, I hypothesize that cats do have episodic memory because many studies show how extensive their memory is and how similar it is to the memory of dogs or humans. If cats react to not hearing the sound at the same place when it's turned off, they have episodic memory. My materials are a camera which has a recording, can make sounds, and has a motion sensor, which I got on Amazon. This is my procedures. First, set up a camera at a location where your cat goes very often and place your camera there. Let the experiment go on for 4 days with the beeping sound on. And on the fifth day of the experiment, turn the beeping sound off and record the cat's reaction. Here are my results. Here you could see the first cat on day 1 got scared away because the beeping was a little loud for the cats per usual. On day 2, the cat 1 walked behind the camera once and in front with no reaction. On day 3, cat 1 had no reaction, and on day 4, cat 1 also had no reaction. But on day 5, cat 1 walked close to the camera with no reaction, stopped close to the camera for a few seconds, and this was when the beeping was turned off. For cat 2, on day 1, the cats also scurried away. Cat 2 on day 2 got startled, then continued to stare at the camera for a couple of seconds and walked off. On day 3, cat 2 didn't react to the sound, and on day 4, cat 2 had no reaction. On day 5, cat 2 walked past while looking at the camera. Based on my hypothesis and my research and my experiment, my hypothesis was supported because the cats did have a reaction when the beeping was turned off. Many studies show that the memory of cats have many similarities to a human and dog, and many studies have been done, such as cats being able to remember which bowl had food in it after 15 minutes of leaving that room. Some experimental errors include that I moved the location of my camera several times, and the camera also sometimes got unplugged, and there might not have been enough trials. To increase the validity of our results, we could keep the camera in one location and do multiple trials with more cats. My conclusion, based on my testings, I found that cats do have episodic memory. The data does support my hypothesis because the cats had a reaction, and this may help these findings may help people who are investigating memory or cats in general. From my background research, I found out a lot more about the research that was done on the memory of cats. It helped me formulate my hypothesis because many other have tested whether or not cats have episodic memory. From this project, I learned to be more prepared for obstacles that I would face during experimenting. I would have chosen a better location for the camera if I had more time to find one, and my results could help researchers learn more about cats and memory in general. And here are my references cited.